Hey there, here's one of the tips that I really urge you to take on board, and that's to chart your progress. So one of the things that I did when I first got my machine was I got my tape measure and made sure that I measured all the key areas that I wanted to work on. So I did the measurements around my chest area, I took measurements around my waist and around my hips. I also took measurements around my biceps, and I took photographs of every area that I really wanted to change, including my turkey neck. The reason why is that sometimes when you think you're not moving ahead with your progress, if you can go back to your measurements and take them again where you are right now and see the difference, it keeps you motivated to keep moving forward. And the same goes for before and after photos as well.